His voice, do not harden your hearts. So then, anyone who hears these words of mine and obeys them is like a wise man who built his house. The rain poured down, the rivers flooded over, and the wind blew hard against that house, but it did not fall, because it was built in rock. But anyone who hears these words of mine and does not obey them is like a foolish man who built his house on sand. The rain poured down, the rivers flooded over, the wind blew hard against that house, and it fell. And what a terrible fall that was. Holy God, Holy Almighty One, have mercy on us, and especially to those who watch this video, to grant them the understanding and knowledge of you and your word as they open their Bible to read the scriptures. Give them the wisdom and discernment, and even assist and listen to the pastor, preacher, or apostle. Reveal what your holy book is speaking into their lives. Help them see and understand. Thank you so much, Lord. I ask you this in Jesus' name. Amen.